India is drawing lessons from the Ukrainian attacks on the Russian S-400 system and is planning appropriate dispersion and camouflage. Brazil has officially confirmed the purchase of 22 ground panoramic night vision goggles from Bharat Electronics Limited valued 4.6 crore rupees. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has signed an agreement with a Germany-based shipping company for the construction and delivery of 4 multi-purpose cargo vessels valued $54 million. The Russian government has approved a draft logistics agreement with India that will facilitate mutual logistical support during various military operations and joint military exercises. ISRO has successfully conducted the third and final landing experiment of the Pushpak Reusable Launch Vehicle. The Indian Army's Para-Special Forces have been equipped with laser target designators to enhance their operational capabilities. Indian Navy's landing platform INS Jalashwa has completed 17 years of service to the nation today. Indian Air Force's Rafale fighter jets not only chose Greece as a stopover on its long return journey back to India from Alaska, but also decided to take advantage of the opportunity to conduct joint exercises with the Rafale fighter jets of the Greek Air Force. IIT Palakkad and IIT Mandi have jointly developed an underwater robotic vehicle that can explore ocean depths up to 300 meters. The head of Airbus Helicopters in India has announced that Airbus is set to deliver the first batch of 3 H-125 helicopters assembled from its final assembly line with Tata Group in 2026. After making a significant progress in the dry cavalry engine program by developing 5 crucial materials, the chairman of Midhani Group has confirmed that the company is in discussions with the gas turbine research establishment for developing high-performance materials for the upcoming 110 kN thrust engine for the AMCA program, and also for the F414 engines for Tejas Mark II program, that will see an impressive 80% transfer of technology from General Electric to Hindustan Aeronautics. The Indian Navy is set to place an order for 4 Tapas drones that will be used for maritime surveillance operations. The drones will be manufactured by a consortium of Bharat Electronics Limited and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and the first drone will be delivered within 24 months of signing the contract. Officials have said that the runway length required for the Tapas drone to take off is not very long, and it can be used from some of the small airfields in the island territories and mainland. The Indian Air Force is all set to place an order for 500 units of the indigenously developed Gaurav long-range air-to-surface precision weapon with Adani Defense, that is designed to neutralize enemy targets with high accuracy, such as enemy airfields, bunkers and hardened structures. It has an impressive range of over 80 kilometers, allowing the Indian Air Force to engage targets from a safe distance. Israel's U-Vision Air Limited has offered the Hero-120 loitering munition for integration with the Indian Air Force's Mi-17 and Rudra attack helicopters that will be manufactured at India's Aviation Systems Private Limited. The Hero-120 has a range of 60 kilometers and features multi-purpose warhead that is designed for anti-tank and anti-personnel missions in day and night missions under challenging conditions. Russia has revived its bid for India's light utility helicopter program with a modified proposal, and this comes after negotiations for the Camov 226 helicopter stalled due to localization issues of its French engine. Russia has successfully tested its VK650V turboshaft engine prototype, and its introduction will specifically target the earlier roadblock of achieving a 70% localization level for the Camov 226 project. Today's top 3 comments.